Hi, this is Josh Kirby of MarineMax Long Island. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. This boat has the white hull, it has the blue accent stripe, has the white powder coated tower with bimini top, also comes with the Bravo 3 outdrive and 6.2 Mercury motor. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this has the dune colored interior, the optional sea deck flooring, and the cockpit in the bow. Has the upgraded 2 large Simrad display screens. Comes with onboard head. And plenty of seating for your guests in the front of the bow. If you'd like to see this boat in person, please come down and visit us at MarineMax Long Island. My name is Josh.